I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to buy Myria using your Coinbase wallet. First, make sure your Coinbase wallet is fully set up and accessible. You'll need to have some Ethereum, or ETH, in your wallet to facilitate the transaction and cover any associated network gas fees. We'll then navigate to a decentralized exchange directly within your wallet's built-in D-app browser to complete the swap. To fund your wallet, you have a couple of options. You can easily transfer existing Ethereum from a centralized exchange, such as Coinbase, directly to your Coinbase wallet address. Another convenient way is to purchase Ethereum directly within the wallet itself, using a linked bank account or debit card. Always account for network gas fees, which are necessary for processing transactions on the blockchain. Now, open the D-app browser inside your Coinbase wallet and find a reliable decentralized exchange, like Uniswap. Connect your wallet to the exchange, then select Ethereum as the cryptocurrency you want to swap and Myria as the one you wish to receive. Enter the specific amount of Ethereum you intend to exchange, keeping an eye on the estimated Myria you will acquire. Before finalizing, meticulously review all transaction details, including the amount of Myria you'll receive and the gas fees. Once satisfied, approve the swap and allow a few moments for the transaction to be confirmed on the Ethereum network. To see your new Myria balance, you might need to manually add the Myria token contract address to your wallet's display. Congratulations! Your Myria is now securely in your Coinbase wallet.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.